In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WordPress application password. We'll walk through WordPress.com's plugin directory to set up password protection for your site using a trusted solution, and I'll explain what to look for along the way so you can make confident choices. Start by heading to the WordPress.com plugins directory. This is where you can browse vetted plugins and learn exactly how they work on WordPress.com. Once you're there, use the search bar and type password. This narrows the results to tools built specifically for protecting content and handling access. From the results, open the listing for PPWP, Password Protect Pages. Click into the plugin to view its details page. You'll see a clear summary highlighting what it does. Protect individual pages and posts, support multiple passwords, lock down content by user roles, and even secure your entire site behind a single password. This is a practical way to restrict access when you need quick, controlled entry for visitors or collaborators. Before proceeding, review the plugin's sections for clarity. Open the description tab to understand the core features, supported scenarios, and any plan requirements specific to WordPress.com. Next, check installation for a concise rundown of how the plugin is added and activated in the WordPress.com environment. It's a good idea to note any prerequisites mentioned here so setup goes smoothly. Then look at the changelog to see how actively the plugin is maintained and what's been updated recently. Staying current is important for both security and compatibility. The FAQs tab is also valuable. This is where common questions are answered, including how to handle edge cases or customize protection behavior without extra coding. When you're ready, click Get Started. This begins the guided flow on WordPress.com using the selected plugin. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to proceed with your site's domain. If you're registering a new address, use the domain search to find an available option that matches your brand. If you already have a domain, select the option to use your existing one so WordPress.com can guide you through connecting it. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice and continue. This completes the initial setup path and prepares your site to install and use the password protection plugin. Once the flow finishes, you'll be